Hey everybody! A new week, new learning. Sa video na ito, pag-usapan natin kung paano ba tayo manotice sa online jobs page. Now, alam niyo naman na sa panahon ngayon, lalo na ngayon 2024, para mag-apply sa isang agency or VA agency, medyo mahirap na siya kasi ang mga demands ng mga clients ay mas tumataas and mas specific based on what I talked about sa previous video. Kung hindi pa napapanood, andito siya. Ayan. Pero meaning to say that gives the reason why that is the reason why ang mga VA agencies ngayon are all keeping up with their business and hindi na tumatanggap ng no experience. Yan ang background. Kaya ang karamihan ng mga job openings right now are coming from online jobs PH wherein may mga tumatanggap pa rin ng mga beginners or no experience kasi doon may mga 3-tier level beginner, intermediate, and expert. So that is the reason why sa online jobs PH ang puntahan ng mga tao and as for someone who actually sources virtual assistants for two agencies already kasi yun yung aking service, no? Sa tuwing ako ay nagbabrowse sa mga messages kapag nagsasubmit ang mga VAs ngayon, ay talaga namang nakakaloka. Na-overwhelm ako kasi napakarami nagsasubmit and hindi naman pwede lahat yun isa-isa basahin ko. So sa video na ito, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano kayo mapansin o manotice sa online jobs page or paano manonotice yung mga um, applications nyo or messages nyo sa mga job posts sa online jobs PH. Pero bagong lahat mga beshi, gusto ko lang i-remind sa inyo na meron tayong free VA, okay, na course na nakalink sa ating description box. It's called Zero to VA Challenge. Para ito sa mga gusto mag-isang general VA or gusto na magsimula as a virtual assistant, kasi at the end of that program, you'll get something, no? As well as sa mga people who wants to learn how to become a social media manager, meron tayong Zero to SMM Challenge as well na libre na nakalink sa ating, description box. Lahat yan kompleto, wala na kayong hanapin pa. At libre lang yan, alright? Now, let's proceed. Tip number 1 ko, guys, kapag kayo ay nag-a-apply sa online jobs PH, number 1 is read all the job description. Wag po kayo mag-search and then just click anything and then copy and paste the message or the application message and then do it multiple times hanggang maubos yung credits niyo for the day. Let's not do that because most likely magiging noise na lang kayo sa inbox ng mga sumasagot o nagsosource through online jobs PH. Talagang dadedmahin kayo. Kaya do not do that. Be intentional. Very important. Number 1 is to read not just the title, not just the sahod, not just the schedule or whatever, no, but yung job description. Bakit? Kasi number 1, malalaman mo kung ito bang job na ito ay para sa'yo. At number 2, kung may mga special instructions doon, no, ay maisasagot mo o maigagawa mo. Kasi plus points yun mga beshing. So, always remember as well na bawat job application, no, dapat ang profile na nilalagay mo doon sa messages, no, or sa pag-apply ay based on that specific job description na ina-apply mo. So, dapat meron kang different profile sa job opening number 1, meron kang different profile sa job opening number 2, at meron kang profile sa job opening number 3. Ganon siya. Alright? Now, number 2, follow all instructions. Hindi lahat ng mga nagpo-post sa online jobs PH ay tumatanggap, no, sa mga messages, no? 'Di ba normally apply to this post, 'di ba? The send message, 'di ba ganun normally? Pero um may mga employers, guys, na ibang instructions nila para mag-apply ang mga what? Yung mga VAs, yung mga future VAs na aplikante nila. Merong mga link ng Google Form, meron dito put in the subject this word, merong nakalagay doon reply, yada 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 or something doon sa message. may mga specific instructions sila na pinapagawa para matest kung nagbabasa talaga sila ng job description. That is the reason why number 1 and 2 is connected. And number 1 is very important kasi should there be any special instructions kung paano mag-apply, no, sa specific job post na yan, then, okay, you have to follow para manotice ka. Okay? I've encountered like 5 of those already sa online jobs page before. And trust me, you have to follow. Kasi it's a test. That's like the initial test. Kung talaga nagbabasa ka or you know how to follow instructions or you know how to understand instructions because most of the instructions are in English. Okay, so number 2 and number 1 is connected and very, very important mga beshi. Kaya basahin nyo ang mga job description ng ina-apply nyo sa what? Online Jobs PH. Next tip, tip number 3, you must have a catchy and informative message subject. Ito yung part when you read a job description from a job list, okay? And then you click apply. Now it will lead you to a message with the subject and the message body. Diba? Always remember na ang nag-apply sa isang job list sa online jobs PH based on my experience as well, no, as a receiver end, as a receiving end ng applicants, daan-daan mga mi. Daan-daan ang nagme-message at ang mga nagpo-post diyan as well ay hindi lang naman isa ang job posting nila doon. Meron silang pino-post ng 3 to 5 at a time o up to 10 na job opportunities online sa online jobs PH. So for example, ako yung nagso-source, no? Ang hinahanap ko lang ngayon, okay, ay operations manager. It will really help me if sa subject pa lang, nung pinaka-message or application na yon ay may nakalagay na operations manager, no? Meaning to say, it will help the sourcing person or the HR person kung nasa subject pa lang, nandoon na yung pangalan ng posisyon na ina-apply nyo. Kasi ako, I scroll through so much subjects and messages and the only thing na binubuksan ko are the ones with yung what? The name of the job post na hinahanap ko. So, for example, your social media manager rockstar. Ganyan, no? So, very important kasi kami, wala kaming time mag-isa-isa sa messages na yan, no? What we wanna do is we open the right messages right away and yung subject line na yan is very, very crucial. So, put, okay, a catchy and informative message subject para mas mapansin ka agad ng mga recruiters. Ang hirap kasi sa ibang mga applicants dyan, mga beshi, ay yung mga nilalagay nila doon, number 1, hindi nakaka-catchy. Number 2 is parang no experience but I will try. Mga ganyan, hindi yan hindi na yung pinapansin. Auto-delete na yan, guys. Auto-deadma na yan, mga beshi. So, make that subject very easy for that recruiter to find you. Catchy and informative. And when I say informative, dapat nandun yung pangalan ng job post na ina-applyan. I hope that's clear. Number 3 is very, very important as well. Why? Because sa dami, no, ng binabasa naming mga messages and applications every day, daan-daan flooded ang aming inbox, no? Number 4, to have a short and simple message body is very important. Number 1 rule dyan, do not use chat GPT, no? As a message body sa ating OLJ application because we know, no? We know na hindi genuine yung message. Number 2, usually those messages are long. We don't have time to read long messages. I need you, okay, to sell yourself. Okay? Within those short messages. Guys, keep it short and simple, no? Make 3 short paragraphs lang. The first short paragraph will be all about who you are. Number 2, what can you offer? And number 3, what do you do? Or yung call to action, no? What should we do pala to move forward? All right? So, gagawa ko ng separate video for that. Pero, guys, wala kaming panahon magbasa ng sobrang haba at mabulaklak, okay, na messages. Make it short and simple. Sell yourself in an instant, no? What we need to see there, okay, is really in one look. Ikaw yung hinahanap ko. Kaya highlight your skills, highlight your experience, highlight the tools that you've been using or you're confident with already. Short and simple. Wag nang mabulaklak, wag nang pahabaan. We don't need those. We are really checking on multiple or hundreds of messages at a time. So make it very easy to that recruiter. And lastly, connected to number 4, which is number 5, highlight your skill sets. And where do you base that skill set? You base it on that specific job description ng ina-applyan mo. And I always say this since last year. Different cover letter, different profile per, no, sinabi ko din sa number 1, per job description. Okay? Because we have to make that person know na ikaw yung hinahanap ko. Right at the bat, like one look pa lang, ikaw yung hinahanap ko. You just made it easy for me, I'll contact you right away. I'll email you right away. Kasi lahat ng nilagay ko sa job description, kaya mo pala. Provided, kaya mo talaga. You're not faking it till you make it. May proof ka, may portfolio ka, may resume ka, di ba? Lahat nandoon. No? Dapat ganon. Okay? Stop sending canned messages or generalized messages and then mass sending it. You're wasting your time. When you apply, it should be intentional and tailored fit or personalized or customized based on that specific job description. And highlight your skills right away. Ganon siya. Alright? I hope you guys learned a lot in this module. No? Itong 5 tips na ito, pag ginawa mo, I'm sure, mas madadalian ka makahanap ng client o mas mapapansin ka sa Online Jobs PH. Thank you and I'll see you next week for another learning session.